Welcome to Pocket Tutorials. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to import files in OpenShot. There are 4 methods in which you can import files in OpenShot. First method is through File menu. You can choose Import Files, Command, and the shortcut for the same is Ctrl and F. The second method is right-click on the toolbar. You have the Import Files button over here. The third method is right-click in Project Files tab and click on Import Files. And the last method is drag and drop method. So all you need to do is you need to open your folder where you want to download those files. Select the files, drag them, and leave. If you do not want a particular file, all you need to do is select them, press Ctrl and select the files which you do not want. Right-click and say Remove from Project. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you so much. Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.